Hello guys, this is I want to show you how to see all the hidden Wi-Fi passwords. So I'll show you two ways of doing this. The first one you can do it literally without any software, and the second way is a lot easier, but you will have to download a small tool. So let me show you the first way. Go to start and type in cmd, then open up the command prompt. Now type in the following command. Now you'll see all the Wi-Fi's that your device have been connected to in the past. So here you should see the device you want to see the password from. In my case is this one. So just see the name and then type in the following command. Now here type in the name of the network, and at the end I add this. Now under security settings, next to the key content, you will see the password, which is here. That's one way of doing it. The second way of doing it is to go on this website, the link is in the description, and scroll down to see the download section. Now either download the 32-bit or the 64-bit version. If you're not sure which one to download, go to start, then go to this PC and right click, more, properties. Now here, next to the system type, you will see either 64-bit or 32-bit operating system. In my case it's 64, so I'll download the 64 version. Also here you will see the password, just copy it, then open up the archive and simply drag all the files on your desktop. Then here paste the password, press OK, and that's pretty much it. Now when we open up the software, it will ask us, do we want to allow it? For admin permissions, just say yes, and as soon as it opens up, you will see all the networks and their passwords next on the right. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you liked it and see you next one.